Hi everyone, my name is Amber Leon. I am from Hammond, Louisiana. I have lived here going on 30 years. My work background is in teaching. I am currently working as a teacher's assistant at SLU Head Start. I co-teach children ages 3 to 5 years old. I have a passion for teaching and I love trying new things with technology. I am hoping to become an Apple certified in the near future. My background in technology started when I was very young. I've always enjoyed working with technology. I've always enjoyed trying new things with different wires, seeing what works, and what type of technology would make things easier, especially with teaching. I've always loved technology, so I would love to be able to enhance my skills in implementing technology into my future classroom. I'm currently working on getting my teacher's license so I can become a kindergarten teacher. And I would love to be one of the leaders in educational technology at the school that I do get hired at as a kindergarten teacher and be able to help others succeed with implementing new technology into their class. Due to the pandemic, I know just about 99% of teachers had to change their whole teaching route to virtual teaching, which means that they had to implement technology. So now that everyone, just about every teacher, has been forced to implement it, I don't see it going anywhere. I see it just enhancing and things becoming more upscale with technology, making classroom, go from traditional to a technology based classroom or as a smart classroom. Um, a fun fact about me is that I am getting married on May the 28th, 2022, to my fiance. We're both very happy, and we are also currently um, in the process of building a house, and so definitely looking forward to the future with that. Family to me is very important. I love being around family. They're my priority. We love going to the beach together. That's pretty much our go-to vacation spot. Um, I do hope to learn different different types of technology-based um, softwares in this class, and whatever I do learn in this class, I want to be able to take it and implement it to my workplace where I currently work. I was recently chosen to take over my workplace's website, and so in this class, I'm hoping to be able to fulfill that requirement and use the skills that I've learned in this class to be able to help me with taking over the website, making sure that I have all the components that they're asking for in a formal type of setting. Another fun fact is that I've always loved being able to see children grow. I love being able to see how well they are able to progress. One of the softwares that we use at my current workplace is called Teaching Strategies. And what Teaching Strategies is it's a program where you type in the children's observations that you make on them, and then you rate their different skill levels. And then after each quarter, or the winter quarter or a fall quarter, you would do this thing called checkpoints, and the program actually keeps their progress. So at the end of the school year, you can see where they started and where you can see where their skills have started, and you can see their growth throughout the school year, which I think that's an amazing program to be able to see. Because I know a lot of teachers are very busy trying to teach. They're trying to make lesson plans, trying to run a classroom, and sometimes it's hard to really see the progress through the whole year. So what this does is that it actually lays it out for you. And I would love to be able to change my change SLU Head Start's curriculum from the traditional paperback curriculum from Teaching Strategies to the cloud, the Teaching Strategies cloud platform, which is where everything is online, everything is like through like a PDF or and actually it can go through the app. You can pull up these things called Mighty Minutes, the questions of the day, even books. Everything's online, and I think that would be really cool. So this is just a little bit about me and about where I'm headed toward in the future and what I've done in the past and what I'm currently doing. So I do hope to get to know everyone in this class. I hope everyone has a successful second spring module. Thank you for listening.